Here I am in probably a quarter of a mile from downtown Watford City. And as I came into Watford, it was dark, it was lightning, a lot of lightning, then thunder. And then as I came into the city, I could hear the sirens. Saw a police car pulled over with the red and blue lights flashing. And then the siren tornado warning. I'm here in Watford City. I'm just a few blocks from downtown. I've done a lot of work here in downtown in the past, painting houses. I've driven truck around here. In fact, I painted a house down here, down this street, we're up here by the old high school. But man, I couldn't see no funnel. It's just a big, huge storm. And it's headed east towards Newtown, it seems like. And, oh, that's pouring cats and dogs right now. And, well, I'm near where I wanted to come here. My dog ate tonight. She's happily fed. And, I'm downtown now. I'm about a block away from where I want to be. And I'm just going to a restaurant to eat. You can hear the sirens. I thought it started to hail, but it didn't. I think I can go through here. Oh, it's just pouring rain. This is the back way. Through this alley. To this restaurant. There's a movie theater in here. A small town in Watford City, maybe 12 to 15,000 people, if that. Let's see here. Got people waiting. I know this town like the back of my hand. And boy, they got sirens going. That ain't good. Kind of freaking me out. There's a tornado on its way. Well, I'm gonna park here where I can see my van from that place. That's where the movie theater and the restaurant is. Outlaws, that's the name of them. So, I'm downtown Watford City. Look at the rain. There's a bank in there and a restaurant and a movie theater. Crazy weather.